How to fix Facebook Messenger call problem. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps. This is the apps manager page. Search for Messenger and click on it right here. Click on force stop and then click on the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions on this page and then click on storage. Click on clear cache and clear data. Go back, and now all what you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Messenger and click on update. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.